Welcome to Global City Guide. Vietnam is a Southeast Asian country located on the eastern edge of the Indochinese Peninsula. It shares borders with China to the north, Laos to the northwest, and Cambodia to the southwest. Vietnam's population is estimated to be around 99 million people, making it the 15th most populous country in the world. Vietnam is a socialist-oriented market economy and has experienced rapid economic growth in recent decades. Its economy is primarily driven by agriculture, manufacturing, and services, with the country being a major exporter of commodities such as coffee, rice, and seafood. Vietnam is also known for its natural beauty, with its stunning landscapes ranging from the towering mountains of the north to the tranquil beaches of the south. The country's cuisine is also celebrated around the world for its unique blend of flavors and influences from various cultures. Top 10 places to visit in Vietnam. 1. Ha Long Bay is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the northeast of Vietnam. It features a stunning seascape of over 1,600 limestone islands and islets, topped with lush vegetation. Visitors can enjoy boat rides, kayaking, and exploring caves, while also learning about the area's rich cultural history. 2. Hanoi is the capital city of Vietnam, located in the north of the country. It has a rich history dating back over 1,000 years and is known for its French colonial architecture, bustling old quarter, and vibrant street food culture. Popular attractions include the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, Temple of Literature, and Hon Kim Lake. 3. Hoi An is a small, picturesque city located in central Vietnam. It was once a major trading port and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its well-preserved architecture and lantern-lit streets. Visitors can explore ancient temples, take a bike ride through rice fields, or relax on the nearby beaches. 4. Hue is a city in central Vietnam that served as the country's capital during the Nguyen dynasty. It is renowned for its imperial citadel, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, as well as its rich cultural and architectural heritage. Visitors can explore ancient tombs, pagodas, and temples, and sample the city's famous cuisine. 5. Sapa is a mountainous region in northwest Vietnam, known for its stunning scenery and rich ethnic culture. Visitors can hike through terraced rice paddies, explore traditional villages, and learn about the customs and traditions of the local ethnic minorities. Sapa is also home to the highest peak in Indochina, Mount Phanxapan. 6. Nha Trang is a coastal city in southern Vietnam known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant nightlife. It is a popular destination for tourists, who come to enjoy water sports, such as snorkeling and scuba diving, as well as the city's famous seafood. Nha Trang also has several cultural and historical attractions, including Panugar Cham Towers. 7. The Mekong Delta is a region in southwestern Vietnam where the Mekong River empties into the South China Sea. Known as the Rice Bowl of Vietnam, the delta is home to lush rice paddies, floating markets, and quaint villages. Visitors can explore the delta by boat, sample local cuisine, and learn about the region's traditional way of life. 8. Ho Chi Minh City, formerly known as Saigon, is the largest city in Vietnam, located in the south of the country. It is a bustling metropolis known for its French colonial architecture, vibrant street food scene, and lively nightlife. Visitors can explore historic landmarks, such as the Reunification Palace and War Remnants Museum, or shop for souvenirs at the Ben Ton Market. 9. Phong Nha Cô Bang National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in central Vietnam. It is known for its stunning karst formations, including Sun Dong, the world's largest cave, and Paradise Cave, known for its otherworldly beauty. Visitors can explore the park's caves and underground rivers, hike through the jungle, and spot a variety of wildlife. 10. Phu Quoc is an island located in the Gulf of Thailand, off the coast of southern Vietnam. It is known for its beautiful beaches, clear waters, and lush forests. Visitors can enjoy snorkeling, diving, and kayaking, or explore the island's temples and markets. Phu Quoc is also famous for its production of high-quality fish sauce. Best time to visit Vietnam: spring, February to April, and autumn, August to October, is the best time to visit Vietnam's unusual and fun facts about Vietnam. Fact 1. Even though Vietnam is a tropical country, you can still find snow in Sapa, a mountainous town in the north of Vietnam between December and February. Fact 2. Phong Nha Bang National Park in Quang Binh Province is home to a newly discovered cave system that is approximately 5.5 miles long, 650 feet wide, and 500 foot tall, with over 150 individual caves. It is debatable whether this is truly the world's largest cave, but it is definitely worth exploring. Fact 3. Vietnamese literature and language are strongly influenced by China due to more than 1,000 years of colonization. The Vietnamese written language originally used Chinese characters, but now uses Latin alphabet with diacritics, and the spoken language is tonal with 6 tones, making it quite challenging for learners. Fact 4. In Vietnam, teachers are highly respected, and there is even a national day to honor teachers, Vietnamese Teacher Day, which is held on the 20th of November annually. Fact 5. Ho Chi Minh's embalmed body is on display in a mausoleum located in Hanoi capital. Visitors are not allowed to pause to take a picture, and the mausoleum is typically closed from September to December for annual maintenance. Fact 6. Vietnam is a multi-ethnic country with 54 ethnic groups recognized by the government, each with its own language and culture. Fact 7. Lotus is the national flower of Vietnam, chosen for its remarkable beauty and pleasant scent. The lotus symbolizes pure beauty not spoiled by mud and the strong spirit of Vietnamese people who show their best traits to the outside world, regardless of harsh circumstances. Fact 8. Vietnam is the second largest coffee exporter in the world today, after Brazil. Coffee was first introduced to Vietnam by the French in the 1800s, and annual production capacity has continued to increase. Overall, Vietnam has much to offer travelers with its diverse culture, natural beauty, and unique experiences. Which city do you want next? Thanks for watching.